The future of work, AI and automation. Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Tech, where we talk about technology, innovation, and how it's shaping our lives. Today, we're tackling a big question. What does the future of work look like with AI and automation? Jobs are changing fast, but don't worry, I've got tips to help you future-proof your career. Robots working alongside humans, typing hands, office spaces. AI and automation are transforming industries, from manufacturing and logistics to finance, healthcare, and even creative work. Here's the reality. Repetitive tasks are being automated. Think factory work, data entry, and even customer service chatbots. AI is becoming a coworker. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney assist in writing, coding, and design. According to studies, up to 25% of jobs globally could be impacted by automation by 2030. But this doesn't mean fewer opportunities, it means different opportunities. So, what jobs are thriving in the age of AI? Here are some booming areas. AI and machine learning specialists, designing and training AI systems. Data analysts, turning raw data into business decisions. Healthcare professionals. Roles requiring human empathy and creativity are hard to automate. Green economy experts. Sustainability roles like renewable energy engineers. Data scientist working, nurse assisting a patient, wind turbine maintenance. And let's not forget creative industries. AI might help generate ideas, but human creativity is irreplaceable. Here's how you can stay ahead of the curve. Embrace lifelong learning. Constantly upskill with courses in AI, data analysis, and soft skills like communication. Focus on human-centric skills. Creativity, leadership, and emotional intelligence will always be in demand. Stay tech-savvy. Learn to work with AI tools, not against them. Remember, the key is to adapt, not fear the changes. The future of work isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about humans evolving alongside AI. So, what skills are you working on to future-proof your career? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest tech trends. See you next time. Don't